So what we've been able to do over the last 6 years is
A gathering of new clients at the Eastside Organizing Project, or ESOP, in Cleveland, Ohio. ESOP is a nonprofit community organization that works to refinance subprime mortgage borrowers on the verge of default or foreclosure.
Okay.
Project Director James Jones oversees 3 orientation sessions a week.
Back in August, we were having like 20 people, 25 people in a session. And that went on for about a month and a half. And it seemed like it cooled down a little bit. October, it kind of exploded again.
the mortgage company up here.
Jones says subprime, or higher interest rate loans, first appeared in Cleveland's inner city neighborhoods. They are aimed at lower income borrowers who do not qualify for lower interest loans. Low adjustable rate mortgages, or ARMs, benefit first-time buyers because of the loan's introductory rates, but those rates usually increase in 2 to 5 years.
Some of those folks that have fallen victim, when they sat down to read the contract, they saw that it had a variable rate, and they may have asked a broker or whatever, what did that mean?
Jones says by the time the mortgages ballooned, the broker had closed up shop and left the area, and the borrower was left with a mortgage that he or she could no longer afford. Mark Turowicki says he fell victim to a fast-talking broker.
Well, he looked over my original loan, and he said, well, I can reduce your monthly payment by about $100. And I said, okay, well, that sounds like a good deal, and it would be an adjustable rate for 5 years.
His mortgage ballooned from 3.75% to 8.25%, and he says he is having trouble paying his bills.
So at this point, I'm trying to stop the hemorrhaging and get back to something realistic that I can handle and work with.
ESOP counselor Kristen Anderson says Turowicki's financial situation is better than most clients. She will try to get his lender to renegotiate his mortgage to a more affordable fixed rate.
He's showing a surplus in his income, so they might say that he can't afford this. And usually when that happens, I go back and fight with the lender and say, you know, if you don't put him into a fixed rate, eventually he's not going to be able to pay his mortgage.
Eastside Organizing Project officers say they do not expect foreclosures in the Cleveland area to slow down anytime soon. They say more homeowners will be walking through their door looking for help well beyond 2010. Jeff Swicord, VOA News, Cleveland, Ohio.